How to download and install Binance application on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download and install Binance app on your Android device. So first thing, simply open up your Play Store and just search in for Binance application. So once you search in for that, make sure it has 100 million plus downloads. So just click on the select on the right one, and once you're inside here, just tap on install. So it's a pretty simple process, so you just have to wait for a few seconds. So once it gets downloaded, you just have to tap on this open button over here, and it will tell you open up this page where you simply have to follow the on-screen instruction to log into your account. So once you're on this screen, you just have to enter your phone number or email, or you can also log in with your Google account. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.